Hello everyone, myself Kanaka Pushkaraj Abhyankar, studying in Standard 10th Aryabhat. Today in our Hindavi Public School and in Hindavi Panchakoshadharit Gurukul, we all Hindavians celebrated Teachers' Day. On this occasion, let's remember the words of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, whose birthday we celebrate on 5th September. A true teacher is one who helps us think for ourselves. Teachers are not just people who teach lessons, but those who inspire us, correct us with love, and shape our future with the patience. For this program, Honorable Mrs. Chaya Kadam Ma'am, Kendra Pramukh Kondve, was with us as a chief guest. Along with her, the school principal, vice principal, section head, and head of Hindavi Panchakoshadharit Gurukul were with us for this program. First upon, all dignitaries gallant the photo of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and Rajmata Jizau as well as Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Our principal honored the guest. Standard 10 students honor all the teachers and non-teaching staff. Miss Amrita Pawar, student teacher, introduced school. Master Aryan Zadhav, student teacher, expressed his views. Miss Shreya Guzar given information about importance of Teachers' Day, and Master Sanskar Shende given information of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Motivational guidance given by the guest and appreciated Standard 10 students for arranging this program. Standard 10 students organized various games for the teachers to make their day a very special. After this, student teachers shared their teaching experience with us. For this beautiful program, anchoring was done by Miss Ovi Nitin Yadav from Standard 9 and Miss Shivanjali Shinde from Standard 10.
घेऊ उंच भरारी हे आमचे आकाश ज्ञान श्वास हा आमचा भविष्य हातात संस्कारांच्या या भिंतीची गातो हो थोरवी हिंदवी 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 विविधतेने जपतो राष्ट्रप्रेम मनात सक्षम घडतो या मातीतून विज्ञानाच्या युगात कला क्रीडा कर्तृत्वाची पताका उंचवी हिंदवी 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 स्वयंमेव मृगेन्द्रता आम्हा सारे गौरवी